Yeah, well, go on, my people. Bless up in a reasoning corner, reasoning in the day, in the morning, in the night. In which part of the day, in the world is it? Hey man, well forward back on the reasoning corner car right now. We have to just push the topic them out there when we see them and just reason about them and just talk about them and make. Is it what I say? Cause we need a changing point in Jamaica right now. It a go from bad to worse. How much money the Andrew wanna say they spending at the prison system a year time? Whether I'm say pan the whole of the prison system or pan one prison system in spend a particular money. I'm saying spend 500 million a year pan prisoners. No, pan the prisoners, pan the individual, and don't mean like for renovate and for fix up the facilities and for, them thing there. No, I mean pan prisoners. 500 blows and square million, Well, make the prisoner know we having phone in a cell, having phone in a jail because the warder them and the police them charge money for bringing a phone. Bringing a knife. The mine sharp all gun too. Stay there, no. That's why we need to fix the system. You understand, people? Don't see some people online and blame the prisoner them one time. If a fool idiot them come up about prisoner have NSC in a blouse and skirt jail. Maybe like the waste man bitch prime minister how them all get them static. Them can't move up. They only move them static them in a one big circle where they can't move. Static. They can't go nowhere, they can't do nothing, they're static. Who not static? Who go in there not static? Police and blouse and skirt the water them. So only read between the lines and stop blaming the blouse and skirt inmate them. Yo, this is so inhumane, yo. This is what they call a cargo in a prison. I want to look on the video and listen what a man say. This is what they call a cargo in a prison. This is what the prisoner them shit, Pardon my language, yo. This is inhumane, yo. This is like slavery to post knuckles. Yo, I can watch a video here. Bombard.
This is shit in bag. Shit. Stinking fucking shit in bag. There is no toilet facility in the cell. And this jug is called my piss girl. Because this is what I urinate in. See, there is no toilet facility. When you're locked down in a cell and you want to empty waste, you have to piss in a pan or a jug. Call it your piss. What is that they call your piss girl? And you have to shit on papers and tie it up in bag or shit in bucket and pans. So this is how we live in right now. And every day our government talks about prosperity. You evil vampires, bloodsuckers of the poor. You care not about your nation. Your aim is not to increase or uplift the living standard of your people, but rather to suppress them and rob them and scrape for yourself. You bloodsuckers and greedy, blood-sucking niggers. You believe in slavery, you believe in punishment, extreme punishment.
You see the color jug there, or pink? A man say, that I'm pissing her. You hear that? I'm piss girl that. I'm piss girl. You have some man use chubby buckle. Chubby buckle. For piss girl. Can the government of Jamaica make this a go on in the country? In the prison. Not because them do crime. It's a rehabilitation center, same way, and honest. Yo, from Andrew Holness forward in a poor things get so worse. You know? We know say the prison system never saw 100. But for Andrew Holness forward yo, things just a show up like. Yo, I could go and listen to the video, brother.
You say shit in back. Shit. Stinking fucking shit in back. There is no toilet facility in the cell. And this jug is called my piss girl. Because this is what I urinate in. See, there is no toilet facility. When you're locked down in a cell and you want to empty waste, you have to piss in a pan or a jug. Call it your piss. What is that they call your piss girl? And you have to shit on papers and tie it up in bag or shit in bucket and pans. So this is what we're living right now. And every day our government talks about prosperity. You evil vampires, bloodsuckers of the poor. You care not about your nation. Your aim is not to increase or uplift the living standard of your people, but rather to suppress them and rob them and scrape for yourself. You bloodsuckers and greedy, blood-sucking niggers. You believe in slavery, you believe in punishment, extreme punishment. You don't believe in rehabilitation. You don't believe to uplift your nation, but to keep them down. You evil vampire, you evilous vampires, bloodsuckers, and advocates of the devil. See it? It's a cargo. And if you don't know what we call a cargo in Jamaica prison, inmates have to shit on paper and tie it in bags. So this is the weakness. You need to see no more. This is it. That's it.
My God. My God. Whoa. People, 500 million a year. That's how 500 million a year look. Here, Andrew Holness say him spend 500 million a year on the prisoners. And each individual out of the 500 million, each individual get proper. Don't know if it's a facility or... Hold on there. The man all a complain. John. Yo, it's wicked, you know. I just reason out that video and bring part 2, cause in one of the video the man a complain and say, yo, the soap and the fab soap and I don't know if a fab soap or MD attack. No fab at the like Irish Spring. So man I say two them forget and one and get one tile tissue and one blouse and skirts in there. Yo, man a state and I say, yo, man a show our father we know some program make him see them thing upon, you know. The man a show the thing and I tell you, say, yo, the prisoner, the water, them a thief out the things them, man a put carry guard in yard. You have all the big man there a thief out the thing them a put in a shop. Oh, them things allowed to be done in the Jamaican system, yo. It's everywhere, it's everywhere. In the system here in Jamaica. From the top, from the PSOJ to the government. Yo, a son thief them in a man. That is what them call a cargo in a prison, brother. You shit it on the blouse and skirt newspaper and tie it up and piss in a piss girl. It's them living them thing there is inhumane, yo. I tell them, I say, yo, we need to send some of them politician boy down a jail go face the same thing. I say me can't wait for the UIC forward for send them blouse and skirt boy we go down there, you know that. Big man thing, cause right now, I vex to see them thing, you know. Down to the normal man, you know, you can't do nothing, you know, you can't do nothing and get down this and them thing that you have to do, you know, you can't just, people can't tell lie upon you, you know. Police can just see you on the road and pick you up because they don't like you and just carry you down, they go lock you up. Last year in our system. And a damn thing they have to do. So on the state they think about, oh, them a gunman, oh, they love do crime, or what. You know, must have to do crime. You know, must do nothing. You can't innocent. You hear that? So on the state they come out on the blows and scratch shell one, you know, you hear that? But the rich people, them, me see a woman and a family with their youth dead, you know. The 9-year-old youth, you know. And the police then can't get no statement from the woman, you know. Just because the woman have contacts. And our man, the 9-year-old, the youth have disabilities. He have something. And the way how the killing go with the 9-year-old they say, man come at the car and hold up the mother. No, but then say it's a break-in and robbery or something like so. And slash the youth throat. They look at you 9-year-old youth throat. And mother not cooperate, mother not give no information, so then what go on. Them thing they may try showing you, so the rich then a go to jail in Jamaica. So that may tell you. So the reason why them thing are going on is because we don't have no government. We don't have no government, yo. We don't have no government. We depend on the reasoning corner. Reason Jamaica don't have no government. And it's a sad and it's a failed state and it's very sad, yo. I don't know. God know people need to wake up, you know. Youths. Need to wake up, yo. I tell you the truth, say, yo, right now. Youths after tomorrow, yo. Need to wake up. Wake up. It's rough. Bless up yourself, you dip on the raising corner, yo. That is what they call a cargo in a prison here. When you look, listen, and watch the video. I put the video in the end, I saw again. When you watch it again, man, I have to make you watch it again to blouse and skirt. Bless up on yourself, man.
You see shit in back. Shit. Stinking fucking shit in back. There is no toilet facility in the cell. And this jug is called my piss girl. Because this is what I urinate in. See, there is no toilet facility. When you're locked down in a cell and you want to empty waste, you have to piss in a pan or a jug. Call it your piss. What is that they call your piss girl? And you have to shit on papers and tie it up in bag or shit in bucket and pans. So this is how we live in right now. And every day our government talks about prosperity. You evil vampires, bloodsuckers of the poor. You care not about your nation. Your aim is not to increase or uplift the living standard of your people, but rather to suppress them and rob them and scrape for yourself. You bloodsuckers and greedy, blood-sucking niggers. You believe in slavery, you believe in punishment, extreme punishment. You don't believe in rehabilitation. You don't believe to uplift your nation, but to keep them down. You evil vampire, you evilous vampires, and bloodsuckers, and advocates of the devil.